In this video, we are going to see the top 15 highly romantic Turkish series you need to watch. Starting with number 1. Janima Name, A Mother's Love. Zeynep is a sweet little girl who adores her mother, Cemre. But one day, Sema tragically dies in a car accident. Because Zeynep was born with a serious heart condition, her family decides to hide the truth, fearing the shock could kill her. Her father, Murat, lies and tells her Cemre went away on a trip. At the same time, Cemre's reputation is ruined by slander. Murat, who once loved her deeply, now believes the lies and grows to hate her. His mother, Asude, uses the situation to push him toward marrying Meleka, the woman she wants as her daughter-in-law. When Zeynep finally discovers the truth that her mother is dead and her father will marry Meleka, she has a severe heart attack. Just when it seems her little heart will stop, a miracle happens. She meets Najli, a woman who looks exactly like Cemre. Zeynep immediately connects with Najli, and her heart begins to recover. Murat, desperate to save his daughter, makes a deal with Najli to act as Zeynep's mother until she is strong enough for surgery. But there's a shocking truth: Najli isn't just a stranger. She and Cemre were twin sisters, separated at birth, and fate has brought her back to her sister's home. This twist changes everything, turning the family's tragedy into a story of hidden truths, second chances, and hope. Number 2. Aşk ve Umut, Love and Hope. Zeynep, a hard-working student from Edremit, ranks 5th in Turkey and earns a spot in a top law program. She moves to the city, unaware her father, who's helping her imprisoned mother, is still alive. Zeynep falls in love with Ege, not knowing her half-sister Melis is also in love with him. Melis and Ege eventually get married, leaving Zeynep heartbroken and starting a new life. Meanwhile, Kuzey, Melis's cousin, is caught in emotional turmoil as Elif manipulates her way into his life, seeking revenge. Bülent and Feraye's relationship ends due to Gonul, and Ege and Melis move in with a lonely Feraye. Tragedy reunites Zeynep and Ege, whose love for each other never truly faded. Cihan, a mysterious and powerful man, enters Zeynep's life with a secret that puts him in direct conflict with Ege. Both men are drawn to Zeynep, but only one may win her heart. Meanwhile, Kuzey realizes he loves Sıla, just as she's kidnapped by his enemy. Javidan, determined to keep Sıla away, plots to marry Kuzey off to her daughter Bahar using Alpa. As secrets unravel and loyalties are tested, love, betrayal, and fate collide in unexpected ways. Number 3. Kan Çiçekleri. Kan Çiçekleri tells the compelling tale of Dila and Baran, forced into marriage to end a blood feud, amidst the hostility of those around them. Baran, burdened by guilt over an attack that claimed his mother's life, must suppress his hatred for his enemies to save his brother and seek family reconciliation. Destiny takes a sinister turn when Baran's uncle, the mastermind behind the attack, lays a trap to seize the family fortune. To break the cycle of vengeance, Baran marries Dila, his former attraction, but their love is tested by the deep-rooted animosity between their families. As their passion intensifies, it becomes a force that can either lead to love's bloom or ultimate devastation. Number 4. Heart of the City. Ali, a man with a troubled past, reluctantly returns to Istanbul, where he inadvertently becomes entangled in a series of unexpected events. While attempting to help a young girl named Dirin, he loses his passport, setting off a chain of unpredictable encounters. Dirin, engaged to Yiğit, seeks a day of freedom and finds an unexpected connection with Ali. As they spend the day together, their lives take unexpected turns, challenging their preconceptions and altering their futures. Meanwhile, Ali's passport issue leads him to a surprising revelation about his own identity. What will happen next? Watch this amazing series to find out. Number 5. Kiralik Ashk. Kiralik Ashk or Love for Rent follows Daphne, a struggling waitress who is burdened with the responsibility of caring for her family and repaying her brother's debt. When an opportunity arises to secure a large sum of money, she takes up a risky deal with Omar Iplikchi's aunt, Neriman. To fulfill the deal, Daphne must make Omar fall in love with her and marry him. Unbeknownst to her, Omar is the same man who had abruptly kissed her outside the restaurant where she works. As Daphne starts her job as Omar's personal assistant, she is faced with the challenge of concealing her true motives while also trying to genuinely connect with him. As the relationship develops, Daphne finds herself conflicted between her growing feelings for Omar and the deceptive plan she is entangled in. The complexity of her emotions and the stakes of the deal create a tense and intriguing dynamic. According to me, Kiralik Ashk offers a captivating mix of romance and comedy with exceptional chemistry between its leads, Elchin Sangu and Berisk Ardach. While the main story and performances are praised for their emotional depth and charm, some side characters and lengthy episodes detract from its overall appeal. I mean, even though the series shines in its romantic moments, but it also suffers from occasional over-the-top scenes and repetitive plots. Despite its flaws, it remains a beloved Turkish drama for its engaging storyline and standout performances. Highly recommended. Number 6. Bey Yanlis. Mr. Wrong is a fantastic romantic comedy Turkish series where we see the story of Ezi, a public relations specialist who faces disappointments in her relationships. After a heartbreak, she focuses on her career, but suddenly she gets unemployed. One night, alone at a fancy restaurant, she meets Ozgur, played by John Yaman. Fate brings them together as neighbors. Friends warn against Ozgur, Mr. Wrong. Ezi and Ozgur strike a unique deal. He becomes her relationship coach, and she pretends to be his girlfriend to avoid marriage pressure. Their unexpected connection forms the basis of the story. With witty humor, an engaging storyline, and outstanding performances, Mr. Wrong is a must-watch series for those seeking a modern, entertaining romantic comedy that challenges traditional clichés. Number 7. Azize. Azize follows Melek Gunay, a young nurse whose life is shattered when her father, a respected ship captain, is murdered by the ruthless Alpan mafia family. After her father's death and her mother's subsequent mental breakdown, Meleka, now under the new identity of Azize, seeks revenge. She infiltrates the Alpan family with a plan to destroy them from within. Years later, as Azize starts working as a nurse at a state hospital, she is forced back into the Alpan household after a failed assassination attempt on Balkan Alpan, which leaves Kartal, Iskender Alpan's son, critically injured. Azize saves Kartal's life and becomes his nurse, which complicates her revenge plan as she begins to fall in love with him. Azize stands out as an exceptional Turkish drama with a gripping plot and remarkable performances, particularly from Hande Erçel and Burak Gülsoy. Despite its promising start, the show faced an abrupt cancellation after only 6 episodes due to disappointing ratings and sponsorship issues, leaving fans frustrated and craving more. The series combines mystery, romance, and drama, showcasing a compelling narrative of revenge and forbidden love. Its abrupt end left many viewers longing for closure, as the story was cut short just as it began to delve deeper into its complex characters and plot twists. The show's powerful chemistry between the leads and its high production quality highlighted its potential for greater success, possibly even on a global platform like Netflix. Number 8. Bir Peri Masali. Zainab, an ordinary girl, faces a life-altering choice after discovering a bag of money in a rental car following an accident. Opting for the cash, she reinvents herself as Melis to infiltrate high society, aiming to secure a wealthy husband. She sets her sights on Onur Koksal, a successful businessman, but as she delves deeper into their world, she discovers the hidden challenges of life among the ultra-rich and learns that escaping her past is not as simple as she hoped. According to me, Bir Peri Masali is a great series, and Alina Bose shines as Zainab in this captivating series, featuring a well-thought-out story and exceptional performances. Number 9. Bash Belasi, Troublemaker. Bash Belasi is a Turkish TV series blending crime, comedy, and romance. It follows İpek Gümüşçü, a sophisticated young psychologist whose life is upended when her husband disappears after being involved in a financial scandal and murder. İpek, now a single mother, is determined to uncover the truth about her husband's death and becomes involved with the police. She starts working as a psychologist at the homicide unit led by Şahin Kara, a gruff and troubled police officer. Despite their contrasting personalities, İpek and Şahin are forced to work together to solve murder cases, with their professional relationship gradually evolving into something more complex. Alongside solving weekly cases, the show explores İpek's journey of self-reliance, navigating the loss of her perfect world while balancing her responsibilities as a mother. The dynamics between the police team, including Şahin's colleagues, add depth to the story, creating a blend of suspense, humor, and romance. Bash Belasi is a beautiful romantic comedy Turkish series where the chemistry between İrem Helvacoglu and Seçkin Özdemir is undeniable, bringing depth to their characters' evolving relationship. The show's blend of suspense, humor, and heart, along with strong female characters, makes it a standout among summer dishes. Despite its challenges with ratings, it remains an engaging and highly entertaining series. Number 10. Muhteşem İkili. Muhteşem İkili is an action comedy series based on the American film Tango and Cash, following two police officers, Mert Barca and Mustafa Kerimcan, MKC, who are forced to work together despite their long-standing rivalry. Mustafa Kerimcan, played by Kerem Bürsin, is a seasoned officer from the European side of the city, while Mert Barca, portrayed by Ibrahim Çelikkol, is a highly ambitious commissioner from the Anatolian side. The two have a history of personal and professional conflict dating back to their academy days. Their antagonism reaches new heights when a joint operation, the Mermaid Drug Raid, uncovers a new, dangerous criminal adversary. Although the two men have clashed for years and dislike each other intensely, they must set aside their differences to take down this powerful enemy. As they navigate high-stakes situations, their contrasting personalities create both comedic and tense moments. Throughout the series, their relationship evolves from hostility to reluctant teamwork, filled with action, humor, and suspense. Their journey highlights the challenges of working with someone you can't stand, while also revealing unexpected camaraderie between them. Number 11. Hududsuz Sevda. Hududsuz Sevda is the story of Halil İbrahim Karsu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to run away when he was just 5 years old, after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizvan Leto. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasemin. But when Rizvan's son murders Yasemin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army, with the sole purpose of destroying Rizvan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies, as he works his way through Rizvan's criminal operations, including Rizvan's daughter Zeynep. Zeynep wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zainab's school life crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 12. Forbidden Apple. This Turkish series, spanning 6 seasons, offers a compelling family drama that's both entertaining and thought-provoking. While the story is primarily centered around the complex relationships of its characters, it also explores themes of love, loyalty, and redemption, providing valuable lessons for both young and older viewers. The first season of Forbidden Apple follows the divergent paths of two sisters, Zeynep and Yildiz, living in Istanbul. Zeynep, a principal manager assistant, clashes with a wealthy, arrogant businessman, Alihan, at her new job, leading to a surprising connection. Meanwhile, Yildiz's quest for a wealthy life takes an unexpected turn when she accepts an offer from the affluent Ender to seduce Ender's husband, Halit. Both sisters have secret agendas that will reshape their lives and their relationship. The series weaves a tale of intrigue, romance, and ambition in high society. Number 13. Ali. Aslan Soykan, who's in charge of a big crime family in Istanbul, but he usually follows strict family rules from her mother. His mother psychologically makes Aslan follow her every order. But things change when Aslan meets a wonderful woman named Devin, who is a psychologist. Aslan falls in love with her. As they get closer, Devin can't help but notice the problems in Aslan's family and tries to help them with her psychology knowledge. But on the other hand, Aslan's mother don't want to lose her dominance over her family and tries to create hurdles in Devin's path. Can Devin fix Aslan's issues even though it's like being in a war zone? And can she deal with someone like Aslan, who's full of himself, while also dealing with his own problems? Watch this fantastic series to find out. Number 14. Early Birds. Sanem, a cheerful girl, works at a grocery shop and aspires to be a writer. Her life takes a turn folds as Sanem and John's paths cross in this romantic comedy. According to me, Early Birds is an absolute delight that has captivated me with its fresh take on romantic comedy. The lead actors, John and Sanem, have an electrifying chemistry that makes every episode a joy to watch. Number 15. Be My Sunshine. Ada Masali follows Haziran, a successful city girl who visits her ancestral island, Kilancik, for business. There, she encounters her long-lost relatives and meets Poyraz, a hardworking man with a simple lifestyle. Haziran, feeling guilty for a lie, decides to refurbish a hotel co-owned by her family and Poyraz to help him repay a loan and her mother's debts. As they work together, Haziran discovers the beauty of the island and warms up to Poyraz's selfless nature. Their bond grows, facing challenges and adversity, but their deepening love tests their personal limits. Will they overcome obstacles and find true love? Watch this fantastic series to find out. So that was the video, friends, but if you are interested in learning about more Turkish series like this, then please click here.